Welcome to my channel MedTuber. In this video we'll be seeing last minute revision points or one-liners in forensic medicine and microbiology. Now let's study them. McNaughton rule is concerned with criminal responsibility. And delusion is a disorder of thought. Hallucination is a false perception without any external stimulus. Kleptomania is a type of impulse. The law of criminal responsibility of an insane person in India is based on McNaughton's rule. And the most common form of hallucination in schizophrenia is auditory hallucinations. The maximum number of days during which a patient can be kept for observation for diagnosis of mental illness is 30 days. And the recommended number of examinations before certification of a person as a mentally ill person is minimum 3. The Indian Lunacy Act was replaced by the Mental Health Act in 1987. In delirium tremens, the person is not criminally responsible for his acts. The testamentary capacity means mental ability to make a valid will. And the lucid interval is seen in insanity. Coming to the sections of criminal responsibility, these three sections are important. 84, 85 and 86 IPCs. 84 IPC of criminal responsibility deals with the mentally ill person. He is not liable for the punishment. 85 deals with the person who is intoxicated against his will and he is not liable for the punishment. 86 is associated intoxicated voluntarily and he is liable for the punishment. Anterior horn cells of spinal cord are affected in strychnine poisoning. The most common posture during strychnine poisoning is opisthotonus. Strychnine poisoning mimics tetanus. And fatal dose of Nux vomica is 1 crush seed is enough for poisoning. Antidote for datura poisoning is physostigmine. Dryness of mouth, dilatory pupil and delirium are seen in datura poisoning. The highest concentration of cannabinol is found in charas. Reefer or pot is related to marijuana. Tetrahydrocannabinol is an active principle in marijuana. The run amok is seen in cases of chronic addiction of cannabis. An addict develops delusions, misleading hallucinations of sight and hearing and feeling of creeping things of grains of sand in the skin, and he is addicted to cocaine. Formication is a type of tactile hallucination. This is important. And glue sniffing is inhalation of petroleum distillate. Flashback phenomenon is associated with LSD. Liquid gold is in urine is seen in addicts of amphetamine. Ecstasy, a rave party drug, is related to amphetamine. Meow is a designer drug made from mephedrone. Sensation of synesthesia, that is, seeing smells and hearing colors, is seen in LSD. Sue is used for cattle killing is prepared from Abrus precatorius. Toxalbumin and ricin is obtained from castor seeds. Ophthalmia refers to the poisoning of snake venom. Polyvalent anti-snake venom is prepared by hyperimmunizing horses against the venoms of cobra, Rizal's viper, common krait and saw-scaled vipers. The most common type of poisonous snakes in India are common kraits. This is important. Priapism may be presenting feature of case of Spanish fly bite. This is also important MCQ. Hematuria occurs in bites by viper. The spectacle mark on the dorsum of the head is the identification feature of common cobra. The venom of krait is neurotoxic. The luminescent vomit and feces are diagnostic of poisoning by phosphorus. This is very important MCQ. Fuzzy jaw is seen in case of chronic poisoning by phosphorus, P for fee, fuzzy jaw and phosphorus. Parotid gland swelling occurs in chronic poisoning with iodine. Just remember that iodine is associated with glands. Iodine is useful for production of thyroid hormone in thyroid gland. As this is associated with gland, just remember vaguely it is associated with parotid gland swelling. Chelating agent of choice in arsenic poisoning is dimercaprol. Desferoxam is a specific agent for poisoning of iron. Antidote used in the case of acute arsenic poisoning is freshly prepared hydrated ferric oxide. Coming to the test used for the detection of arsenic, it is mass test. And arsenic poisoning mimics cholera. Velvety appearance of the stomach is seen in acute poisoning with arsenic. This is an important MCQ. Velvety stomach of appearance of stomach. Raindrop appearance of pigmentation is seen in chronic poisoning with arsenic. RH measles are also seen in chronic poisoning with arsenic. And myxoviruses like influenza viruses cultured on amniotic cavity and alveolar cavity of chick embryo. Coming to the hemagglutinin and neuraminidase agents, these are strain-specific in influenza viruses. The type-specific antigens like A, B, C of influenza virus are found in nuclear capsid of the structure of the virus. The principal reservoir for the generation of variants of influenza A are pigs, horses, and fowls. The best specimen for laboratory diagnosis of influenza is nasopharyngeal washings. And coming to Reese syndrome, it is most commonly seen in influenza B. Avian influenza is caused by H5N1 virus, and parainfluenza virus is a leading cause of croup syndrome. And orchitis, usually unilateral, is the most common complication in postpubertal males. Mumps infection is preventable by immunization, LAV using the Gerald strain. Barton-Pinkley Jane cells are present in infection with measles, and the most common cause of death in measles is pneumonia. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, MedTuber.